Hi everyone, hi pet lovers and dog owners. With me today I have the pet grooming vacuum and blow dryer, and we're gonna test it out. So first let me get this out of the box. Alright you guys, I finally have everything out on the table, and of course I have the instruction manual to show you guys all the different things that come with. For example, we have the pet electric clipper right here, and it actually vacuums it up as it clips your dog's fur, and of course it has all the little attachments with it as well. There is a thinning comb. We've used things like this before. They are incredible. You're also gonna have a electrostatic sticky brush. This is really good to remove pet hair, for example in your couch or things like that. This is a pet needle comb. Check this out, this is so cool. And lastly, we have two different nozzles, one a flat hair and the other a round air nozzle. So let's put it all to the test. Alright you guys, I got the machine ready and plugged in, so it's time to make the connection. You're going to have two of these, a big one and a small one, so I'm going to connect that there and make sure it's nice and tight before I turn it on. On the other side, I'm gonna use one of these nozzles right here and lock it into place by twisting it, and we're ready to use, so I'm going to turn it on. And there we go, we're blowing. And of course you can heat it up as much as you want, and you can blow dry your dog. Guys, this thing packs a punch. It has 3 heating settings and 3 speed settings. It is definitely very powerful, but can it get rid of all of Max's extra fur? We're going to put that to the test, and I'm also going to use this when I bathe him to blow dry him because it's going to be so quick and easy, and I definitely recommend this product. Go check it out you guys. It's definitely worth the investment because it makes it so much easier for you to groom and dry your pets from home. I definitely recommend this device.